Okay, now let's pretend that I have $1. Okay, maybe I'm going to the dollar store, but actually, I'm going to buy something less than $1 because I want to show you how to make change. So remember how in the last problem we figured out the change unknown in the middle, okay? So change is just another way of finding out the difference between something. So if you go to the not dollar store, if you go to a candy store, the gas station, Sheetz, and you buy a couple pieces of candy, and the cashier lady says, that'll be 28 cents, please. Well, you feel around in your pocket, but you don't have any change in your pocket. All you have is a nice crisp $1 bill. So you hand the nice lady your $1 bill. How much money should you get back? And it's very important that you know how to do this because sometimes cashiers make mistakes, and you always want to count your money and count the change that you get back to make sure that they gave you actually the right amount. So I just said 28 cents. Okay? Did I just 28 cents? No, did not show up somewhere. Okie dokie. I don't know what. Oh, there it is. Sorry. Y'all, this is hard teaching from a computer. I would so much rather be with y'all in person. I really miss you all. Okay? So, what I need to give her is 28 cents. And it's going to come out of my whole dollar. But since I'm only spending 28 cents, I'm going to get a lot or most of this dollar back. So the strategy for figuring out how much money you should have left, it's just like a fact family. You can solve this in more than one way. You could think 100 cents, and then you could subtract 28 cents, and then you would be left figuring out how much that is. Okay? That's one way to do it. But if you do it that way, you may have to borrow and carry and whatever. So let's just think, what's the opposite of subtract? Add. And if it's back to front, it would be something to the opposite. Plus 28 equals 100. So we can think of it as an addition sentence. And let's go ahead and do that. 28 cents is how much I need to give her. So we're going to count up 28 plus some unknown amount is how much I'm going to get back, is going to equal 100 cents in all. Okay? So here's what we're trying to do. We're trying to figure out. Either way, we're going to take off 28 cents. So this is one whole dollar. So basically we're spending part of it, but we're going to get part back. Take this off. Sorry. Okay, so how would you think about this? Would you say 28 and count up? Or would you say 100 and take away 28? Let's try counting up. So 28 cents. Let's go ahead and say there's 25. Actually, let's do it a different way. Let's do this so you can visualize the tens. Okay, so 10, 20, 25. My things get ready to die. 26, 27, 28. Now, how many more spaces before we make the next 10? 28 plus 2. So right there is 2 more, and that makes 30. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 30 plus 70 is